I grew to like it, but it took me time for the change, to accept the change.
I came to the nursing home straight from hospital, and it was just like coming home. I consider it's my home now. People in nice nursing homes, like to know that that's going on, that people are taking an interest in them.
Residents, it's all about the residents. Their choice, all about choice. And every resident is different, not an institution, a home. Yeah, very important. Yeah, I've felt that for a long, long time.
I grew to like it, but it took me time for the change, to accept the change. It took me about 6 months just to get used to it. I was fretting a bit about my family and everything. Now it feels better, and they all come in and see me and visit me and all that. They're very good and kind to me, and life is totally different, and a lot of peace in my life.
Are you looking forward to the dancing later?
Oh, I am. Oh, definitely. Even if I don't dance, I can, I like the music.
Are you looking forward to having a bit of a dance later?
I let you know.
Don't like dancing?
Well, I do sometimes, but I don't want to get dizzy or anything.
Oh, no, that's a good point.
I like looking at other people dancing.
Far across yonder blue lies a true heavy night, while the sea is rippling over the shingle inside. The